Bonjour Mon Petites, it is I, the fabulous Trice, back with a new video. Not feeling so fabulous, so we ain't doing no intro today. We just gonna do it like this. Anyway, I wanted to show you guys my quick wash day routine because some of you guys have seen my wash day routine and like, damn Tree, that's mad thorough, but I got kids and I ain't got time for all that, so is there any way we can get this done a little bit faster? Well, sistren, I got you. I'm also going to throw in my blowout routine because I've updated that a little bit. And today's video is featuring products by Mokita Naturals. I'm using their Regenerate shampoo and conditioner. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into the video. So we're starting out on dry, dirty hair. Of course, we're washing our hair, so of course our hair is dirty. Typically, I detangle my hair and deep condition before I get in the shower. I finger detangle and then I detangle with a wide tooth comb. I let my conditioner sit, but this is the fast version, so we're not even doing all that. So I'm going to go ahead and saturate the section of hair with water and detangle while the water is running on the section of hair just to help the comb get through the hair easier and more quickly. Then I'm going to apply the Mokita Naturals Regenerate Volumizing Shampoo, and it has biotin, provitamin B5, and botanical extracts in it. And it smells kind of nice. It's like, I was expecting it to smell minty, but it's not even minty. I can't even really describe what the smell is, but it's light. It's not like a heavy smell, and it's not a soapy smell. And surprisingly, this shampoo has quite a bit of slip to it. Like when I was running the shampoo through my hair, if I wanted to take a comb or a brush and detangle my hair, I'm sure I could have, but I do not comb my hair while I have shampoo in it, so I was not taking a risk because I'm a punk. But you know, I mean, whatever works for you, you know, whatever. But I apply the shampoo to the section of hair. I scrub my scalp with the pads of my fingertips, twist it on up, and move on to the next section. Oh, and for those of y'all who was getting on me about the last set of products that I use, this line is vegan and cruelty free. So I don't want to hear nobody's mouth. And it's made in the USA. So yeah, don't come for me. Who you think you're talking to? I've been working way too hard to make you feel that way, boo. So after I'm done shampooing my hair and rinsing all of the shampoo out, I go in with the Mokita Naturals Regenerate Energizing Conditioner. This also has the vitamin B5 and the biotin and amino acids and some botanical extracts. And you know what? This didn't really have a scent to it. I like my stuff. I like my shampoo and conditioner to smell good. You know what I'm saying? Like I like how my hair smells after it's washed. But this didn't really have like a heavy smell to it. But it was nice and light, as was the shampoo, you know what I'm saying? The only complaint I have about this, honestly and truthfully, is that they need a bigger bottle. This little ass bottle ain't gonna really do much for me. I'll probably get maybe 2 or 3 more uses out of it, because sistren, she's got a lot of hair, and I need a lot of conditioner. But it provides a good amount of slip, and I really like how it glides through my hair, like how it let me glide the brush through my hair. I was using this detangling brush that I usually don't use, but I wanted to see how it worked with this product, how the slip was and all that good stuff, and it went really well. So I'm very happy with both the shampoo and the conditioner. I think I'm happier with the shampoo than the conditioner, but bruh, I like them both a lot. I like it so much, in fact, that Trice partnered with Mokita Naturals to give away to 25 of my wonderful subscribers a bottle of shampoo for yourselves. So, if you check the description box, you will see how you can get your hands on a bottle of shampoo. If you don't check the description box, then I don't know what to tell you. But if you check the description box, follow the instrucciones, then 25 of you wonderful Mon Petites can get your hands on a bottle. So, back to the tutorial. Per usual, I detangle the section with the conditioner in it. Like I said, today I'm using a detangling brush that I don't normally use because I just wanted to see how the product slipped through it, and it worked really well. But you'll see me going back and forth between that and my wide tooth comb. But I detangle the section, twist it on up, and instead of taking each section down to rinse out the conditioner, once I let the conditioner sit, I rinse it all out while my hair is still in the twists. Again, this is the fast version, and that's why we do it that way. And then we move right along to the blowout. So like I told you guys, I've updated my blowout technique just a little bit. If you've seen my older blowout videos, everything's pretty much still the same, but I make sure that when I'm blowing my hair out now that I hold the section taut the entire time. It cuts down on time, it cuts down on passes with the blow dryer, and it gets you a pretty straight blowout if that's the type of blowout that you're looking for. I like my blowouts to be pretty straight, so that's what I'm going for, so that's what I do. I'm going to fast forward through the rest of this because if you've seen my older blowout videos, then you've pretty much seen this already. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that description box and see all the details of how you can get the shampoo and conditioner for yourself. This week there is no chat with Bonjour Mon Petites because like I said, I ain't feeling all good, but I owed you guys this video, so here it is. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to my channel. If you have not, make sure you join Mon Petites. And turn on your notification bell if you're already subscribed. Make sure you do that. And follow me on Instagram at @callme_Trice. Same name across the board. Thank you guys again for watching. I love you, love you, love you. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye. Who you think you're talking to? I've been working way too hard to let you feel this way, boo. Now I'm great, I'm done with this bullshit. Let I think you're fucking. Been on this, make my own mind and create my own version. Spending all my days on the west side. It don't feel the same.